Okay, so what I have here is a Remington rm1025sps. It's an electric chainsaw. Pole goes on the pole. There's the pole over there. And so I just needed to change the chain. I was just looking for some good instructions. I was trying to follow this one guy's, he had a Craftsman, I think. But I found the easiest way for me was to loosen up these screws, Phillips heads, right there, and there's one on the other side. You have to go to the other side to get to it. And once that's done, you have to unloosen these. And I guess I should have looked at this before, but I have a .7/16 that loosen these guys up so they're nice and loose. So you go ahead and take it off. And this is loose, so it comes loose, so it slides easy. And you go ahead, take off the chain. And that's that. It's pretty simple. You know, you don't have to fish around or anything. And then when you go put it on, you just go ahead and put it back on the way you took off the old one. And that's it. It's pretty simple.